Hi, I'm Patrick from Patrick's Workshop. Today I'm going to make this awesome skull clock. Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Well, that was an awesome project. That's the first time I've ever used spiral blades on a scroll saw like that. I'd like to thank my friend Charles Deering for providing me with a pattern. He has a YouTube channel named Charles Deering. I will leave a link to Charles's YouTube channel down in the description. He also has a website where he sells tons and tons of badass scroll saw patterns. The website's called woodenvisions.com. You can go on his website and get the pattern for this one and for many, many more. So I'll leave the link for that down in the description as well. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I got more awesome projects on the way. If you want to keep up with me, links for all my social medias are down in the description. I'm most active on Instagram. If you like this video and this project, please give me a thumbs up. I want you to shatter that button for me. I'd like to thank you all for watching. It looks like it's time to go, so until next time, I'm out.